Hello and welcome to another interesting animation, character animation of a sheep getting excited on seeing a butterfly and then jumping up and down. So let's begin. So I have taken the sheep from Pixabay and then now first we need to extract the body parts which are moving from the sheep, which I have done over here using the remove background and crop functions. I have made a separate video on how to crop and how to remove backgrounds, based on which I have taken out the sheep without the eyes, ears, legs, and these parts I have taken separately because this is what we need to animate. So I've also got a butterfly over here from again Pixabay. So let's start the animation. First, let's animate the butterfly, which is the easier task. So we'll place it over here, then go to animation and select custom path. We'll send it into a loop kind of motion and all the way out of the slide. You can see it's happening too quickly. So we'll select the animation and go to effect options. Firstly, just make this to 0, smooth start and smooth end, and then the timing can be increased to say slow. Let's see how this is. This looks fine. So once the butterfly comes in, the first thing that goes up are the eyes. So let's start with the eyes now. The original position of the eyes is here. I'll copy paste this eye and put it here. Now, when the butterfly comes in, the eyes move up to see the butterfly. So the current eyes have to disappear first. So let's go to animation and select disappear. Same, I will just copy paste this animation over here as well using animation painter for the second eye. Now, uh, this eye will appear on the top. So we'll select it again and paste it a little above. Since I've copy pasted the same eye, the disappear animation is again getting pasted, which I will remove, and we will select the appear animation for this. Now I will copy this eye and paste it in the other eye also. Okay, now that this is done, we need the eye to move up when the butterfly has come in a certain distance. So, first of all, let's just select all of these animations to move with the butterfly animation with a certain delay. So these eyes will disappear, say, let's say after 0.75 second, followed by the eye appearing above. Let's see how this looks like. Butterfly comes in, yeah, this is what we want. So this is done. Now we need the ears to come in and then they will also move up. Now we have to, since they have to move on their own axis, we need to give it an axis point. I have, not an axis point, sorry, an anchor point. I have given a detailed video on how exactly we can use anchor points, which you must see, and it's a very useful tool. So I'm just select making a ball and then I will group it with this ear, and let's just see whether now it is moving, the ear is moving on its axis. That's right, this is fine. So we don't want to show this ball, so let's just set the color to no fill. and no outline either. So it disappears. Now the ear has to move up slightly, so we will set a spin animation to this. So go to add animation and set spin. So obviously we don't want the ear to move around like that in a 360-degree manner. First of all, it has to be counterclockwise, and the spin has to be much less. So go to effect options, and let's select let's see this at 40 degrees. Yeah, looks fine, but it's very slow. So we will decrease the duration to zero point 0.5 seconds. Let's see if this is good for us. Yeah. So I need the same here on the other side also, and the animation. So I'll copy this here and paste it on the other side. Only thing is I need to flip this. So I'll go to arrange, rotate, and flip horizontal. The animations have also got pasted. Only thing is I need to change this animation to clockwise. Yeah. So now both these animations again, let's set it to with previous. So the eyes move up and the ears will also move up along with the eyes. So let's see whether this is working fine. Yeah. Okay, so now let's move to the legs. Again, the legs movement has to be done along with the by setting an anchor point. Without that, it will not move correctly the way we want it to. So again, in a similar way, I'll select a circular shape and I'll place it around this. And let's group the legs and along with that circular shape. So now let's set this anchor point to transparent, no color and no outline. Again, we will give this a spin animation. So go to animation, add animation. Actually, I can just copy the animation of the ear. That will be easier. So I'll go to animation painter and copy this animation here. Yeah. So it looks the tilt can be reduced. So go to effect options and reduce 40 degrees to say 30 degrees. We need this leg to go in and out multiple times. So I'll set the repetitions to 4 and also auto reverse so that the leg goes up and then comes back again. Let's see this. Yeah, this is fine. So again we need this on the other side also. So I'll copy this and then again I will flip it around the way we did it for the ear in the same way. Let's get this correctly. Yeah. Only thing is again the rotation needs to be changed to the other side, and both these things, both the legs again have to be set to with previous, and this can happen after a slight more delay. So the ears and eyes go up and then after some delay the legs start moving. So we'll set it to a delay of 1.25 seconds. Now let's play this and see. Yeah, this is fine. Now only thing is we need the sheep to jump up and down as well. So we will select it in this way so that all the body parts of the sheep get selected. All of these will have to be animated. So we'll have to go to add animation and then select lines. It goes down by default. So we will go to effect options and select up. Now we need to edit this, select effect options again. Smooth start and smooth end can be set to 0. We'll set this to auto reverse because we want the sheep to come down. The duration, it's a jump, so the duration has to be fast. Let's set it at 0.5 seconds and let's repeat it 4 times. So this effect only got copied for the eye, so we would need to do it for all of the other body parts as well. Same thing, auto reverse, 0.5 repetitions to 4. That looks really funny, but we need to do it for all the body parts, and then when you see it together, it will look nice. Now the jump also has to move along with the leg. So we will select all of these from picture 25 to picture 7 and then go on with previous. This will happen with the leg. So our animation is now ready. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more such interesting and cool animation videos. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, please do put it down in the comments box. Thank you.